Hi. Here you have polynomials to be divided. We have polynomial number A here, number B here. We need to divide them accordingly. So as solution here, we start by number A. So see, we have 13x plus 14 plus 3x squared divided by x plus 2. To make it possible to divide this one, so we have to arrange the terms from the term with the highest power, with the highest degree, right? You see here I have, since you have this one, this is 13x, here you have 1 as power plus 14x with power 0 to make this one will be, this x will be 1. So we have also plus 3x x squared. So you see, this term with 2 as the power is the highest. Yes, 2 is the highest power. So we have to start with 3x squared. This x with power 1 would be plus 13x. Then this 14, which is constant because its x is with 0 as the power on the x, will be the constant 14. Then to divide x plus 2. So right now, let us divide by using a long division method. By using long division method, we have to divide this 3x squared plus 13x plus 14. Then we divide by x plus 2, right? So you see, here you have 3x squared with a positive sign here, right? So we have to find the number you can put here, which can be multiplied with x to have 3x squared. You see, this our x here has the power of 1 here. Have x with power 2. Here you have 1. So now, to find the power of the x that must be multiplied with this x, we have to take this power 2 minus this one, then we get 1. So we have to put x here, power 1. You see, here we have 3. Since we have 3 here, we need to multiply a number here. Since we have 1, here we have 1, then we need the 3 here to be multiplied by 1 to get this 3. So we have 3x times x to have 3x squared, right? Then this 3x is going to be multiplied by 2 to have plus 6x, right? 3, 2 is 6, then x. So now we have to take 3x squared plus 13x, then minus 3x squared plus 6x. You see, we have 3x squared plus 13x minus this minus here, 3x squared plus 6x. Since this minus is going to multiply here, we will have 3x squared plus 13x minus 3x squared. Then this minus is going to multiply this negative, this plus 6 to be negative. Then we have 6x. So this 3x squared is simplified with negative 3x squared to remain with plus 13x minus 6x. That's why, since we have this negative 13x minus 6, you see, come here. This negative before the bracket is going to multiply this one to have negative here as a whole. Then this negative will change the side of we change this sign before this 6 to have, instead of this positive will be negative to be negative 6. So we have this one to be simplified, this one, because this is positive, this is negative. So this one positive and negative have 13 minus 6, which is equal to 7x. So we have 7x here. Then this 7x is positive. We have to bring it down plus 14. You see? Now, since you have 7x plus 17, we have which can be multiplied with x to have 7x. This is positive. Now we have to have 7 here. This 7 will multiply x to have 7x. Then we have this 7 times 2. We have plus 14. Then we have to subtract here. This negative will also change the sign here to have negative 7x. Negative times positive will be negative, right? Then we have plus 7x minus 7x, which is equal to 0x. Then we have plus 14 minus 14, which is equal to 0. So my quotient would be 3x plus 7, and the remainder will be 0. Actually, this remainder of 0 is not written. The quotient is 3x plus 7. Right? So this is example number 8. This is how to divide a polynomial. This is number 8. So let us do number B. Number B here, we have a plus 2a power 4 minus 14a square plus 5. Then we divide by a square plus 5, right? We have a power 4, we have negative 14a, right? So solution, we have let us arrange these terms before anything. We have h plus 2a 4 power 4 here. Then we have 14a square plus 5. On the other side, you have a square plus 5, right? So we have to arrange those ones by starting from the highest power to the lowest power. So plus 2 a power 4 is the highest power to have. 2a power 4. Then here we have negative 14a square. We have this a power 1 plus a power 1 plus 5 with a power 0, which is constant 5. So you see, between a power 4 and a power 2, there is a power we skipped. We have a power 3. We have to insert that term here. Here we need a power 4 plus a power 3 minus a power 2 plus a here plus a power 0 power 1 power that 1. Yes, here we have 5, here we have 1, here we have this 14, here we have a which is not given. You have to put 0, then here you have our coefficient 2. So since you have this one, like this one, you remember that this is 1. That's why we write only 5. This one, this one, this one. So we have 2a power 4 plus 0a power 3, the one we inserted here, then minus 14a square plus a, then plus 5, right? On the other side here we have a square plus this one, so we have skipped the power 1. So we have a square plus 0h plus 5. This is the other polynomial that is going to divide this one we are given. So now we have this one to divide by h square plus 0h plus 5, right? So we can use a longer division method by using long division. We have 2a power 4 plus 0h power 3 minus 14h square plus h plus 5. Then this must be divided by a square plus 0a plus 5, right? Now here we have 2a power 4, here we have a square. We need to find what is going to multiply this a square to have 2a power 4, right? So since we have a here, we have a here also with different powers, it is automatically visible that h is going to multiply another a here. So we have different powers. We have to take this highest power here and subtract this one to have 4 minus 2, which is equal to, then our a here will have the power of 2. So a square times a square will be h power 4. So h square times a square will have a power 4. Since we have this 2 and we have 1 here, we have to have 2 also here, then this 2 times 1 will be 2. So we have 2a square to multiply a square, then will be this one. Since it is positive now, we have to change the sign to be negative. So we have 2a square times 0, then we have 0 plus 0h power 3, right? Then you have 2a square times plus 5. Then 2 times 5 is equal to 10, which is plus 10a plus 10a square. This is plus 10 a square. And you remember that this plus 10 have to change the sign to be negative here. This one was positive. Now this positive must change to negative. Even this one must change to negative also. Even if this is 0 is sign neutral. Yes. So now we have to add our polynomials starting from this one. 2a power 4 minus 2a power 4, automatically 0h power 4 is remaining. So it is the same as having this one simplified. So we have this one is plus 0h power 3. So we have negative 14a square minus 10a square, which is equal to minus 24h square. Then you have to bring down this plus h. We can even bring down this plus 5. So we have negative 24a square. We have a negative number here. Since we have a negative, we have to write negative here first. We have a 24 and we have 1 here. Which number can be multiplied by this one to have 24, right? You see, 24 times h, 1h, which is square. Now, here we have a square, here we have square, no problem. Then, we will have only 24 here to be multiplied with a square to have minus 24h square. We have also negative 0h. We have plus 0h. Or this is negative, of course. Then we have negative 24 times plus 5. So when you have 24 times 5, here you have 20, this is 0, then you have to keep 2, then you have 10, then this is 120. So we have minus 120. So now we have to subtract the first polynomial here. We have to subtract this second polynomial from the first polynomial. Take this one minus this one. So minus times minus will be plus. Then we have this negative will multiply this term to have negative instead of this one. Negative will be positive here. So we have minus 24a square or negative 24a square, then plus 24h, which is equal to 0h square. We have a minus 0h, which is equal to plus h. Then we have 5 plus 120, which is equal to plus 125, right? So here we have a square. We have a square here. The power here is greater than the power here. So this one can't be divided by that one. That's why you have to write that our quotient is 2a square minus 24, and the remainder will be h plus 125. This is the answer for our B. So thank you for watching this video and welcome back to Maxwell's TV. Next time for many exercises related to division of polynomials, expanding polynomials, factorization, even other topics will be taught here on Maxwell's TV. So thank you. See you next.